So good morning, guys. Welcome back to another vlog. Today is 4th of July, so happy 4th, you guys. It's 5:59 a.m. We have been awake. Well, me and my husband, we have been awake since 4:30 in the morning. And yeah, we barely left the house, you guys. So I was trying to vlog this morning, but I wasn't unable to do it because my house was a mess. I was a mess. I was rushing and I was like, oh my God, just throwing everything everywhere. So that's that. But right now we are headed to a lake. And it's an annual thing that we do with my entire family. So that's where we're headed, you guys. I'm so excited. The girls are so excited. Are you guys excited?
Yeah.
Yay. Ellie didn't want to put her jacket on, you guys. So that's why she doesn't have a jacket. Hennessy, she was a little bit cold. Ellie, she's cold too. But oh my God, this girl, when she says no, it's a no. Like, we have to, like, respect her no, or else she's gonna start crying, and I don't want that type of drama. Anyways, you guys, I started, like, vlogging in the morning, like I said. So I was doing my hair this morning, and I had this one mirror mount for the Osmo camera, for the DJI, but I didn't have the little screw to screw on it. I completely forgot about it. I just placed it and it fell, you guys. Oh my God. My DJI fell on the sink while I was doing my hair. You guys have no idea how bad I felt. Like, it literally hurt my soul, you guys. That's like $600 right there. Like, oh, I was praying to God. I was like, please, please make the camera work, because yeah, it's hella expensive. Also, we are here in the Walmart parking lot because the husband's buying a cooler. So we could take, like, the carne. So, yeah.
Grande caramel.
Only one shot of espresso.
One shot. Can you make it decaf actually?
So we just made it. It's 7:36 a.m. and we just made it, you guys. But my cousins made it here at 6 a.m. so that's why they got a cool spot. I'll just show you guys right now. Hi, the cousins are here. Say hi to the vlog. Careful, careful, there's poop. Yeah. Hey, cuidado con la pupú, cuidado con la pupú. There's like duck poop there. Huh? Making some pupusas, you guys. Oh my God. Hi, YouTube. Guys, this is my OOTD. So I'm wearing some Alo sweater, this PJ, and my Trader Joe bag. Cousin says that it matches, so hey. Who's here?
Hey, chill. I put lotion on my Hola, mi amor. Yeah, I'm sorry, baby. Yeah, mama.
Right, so we're ready, guys. Come here, Ellie. cute. And look, Vanessa has her swimsuit on. Yay.
And then there's Alexis.
And there's Alexis right there. He's busy playing games. And then they got their swimsuits on. And then Ellie got her little swimsuit on. Wow. So they're about to start barbecuing, you guys. So we're about to eat good. No sabayunca. Ahí está mi mamá.
Ya la vamos a poner a cocinar.
Ese es bullying, sí. Igual ahora en la mañana me quería hacer pupusas y la niña Mari dijo, yo las hago, no se preocupe. Y no la dejaron. Yeah. Say hi. Oh, it is packed. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's so packed.
Great, good thing we brought this in.
Thank you very much. Thank you, God. We are so happy to be here. Make it play one time.
A ver, baila, baila. Hey, hey, hey. Ellie, Ellie, mírame. Go, Ellie.
Wait a minute. Fill that cup. Put some bigger in it.
Y el de la Eliana que se hizo.
Yay. Say happy 4th of July, YouTube.
Happy 4th of July, YouTube!
So right now we're just waiting for the fireworks to start, you guys. Agárrala, it's okay, mi amor.
¿Qué vas a hacer, Daniel? Tienes que puchar otra cosa. Ven, ven aquí. Daniel, ven aquí.